Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with you with another insane video. Woo! Let's make that money. All right, now, this video we're gonna do 26K in 5 days. Online, super fast. Benjamin is here to tell you how it's done. Without further ado, let's see it.
How to make money with Traffic Junkie, Warrior Plus, and JV Zoo. These are platforms you can crush it with. Okay, this is just Max Bounty. You can crush it with Max Bounty, absolutely. Tons of offers here to convert like wildfire, but I'm not doing adult traffic with Max Bounty, okay? I just wanted to show you guys. I know what I'm talking about, okay? Here's adult traffic right here. This platform is called Crack Revenue, and I'm only 5 days into the month with both of these right here. This is Max Bounty, this is Crack Revenue. For CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, these two platforms are my
Hey listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy, and the great thing is anyone can do it. I mean anyone. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!